And these are the some of valve on deck that should be opened using hydraulic. This one we call it hydraulic remote or remote control for opening and closing the valve. Here you can see thoroughly cargo tanks until 12 and also ballast. And here have the procedure for ballasting and deballasting. Just follow this one, that can make you easier. And then for example you want to open 4 port, so you should line up and then you should correctly open all the valves. For example, now I am ballasting. Okay, switches should be open, this one open, and I am ballasting using pump, this one pump, and then coming here and I want to fill up 4 port, so 4 port should be open. First time you switch on the power until pressure increase, and then you can open the valve. Wait for few minutes, few seconds, and then until this one steady you can give neutral and then stop. And also for closing you can do same way. Okay, finish.